camera.
Okay.
So cute. I would have never thought to Donna. Just do that on this morning.
Listen, this is sound recording. Don't say names.
Oh no.
This is Good Greenies gone wild. This is what happens when you're a senior citizen and you don't have enough to do. Of course, it's April Fool's Day, and these stupid things are trying to escape. They're in disguise, but they didn't get any further than the waterfall. They just couldn't make it. After getting dressed, that was all they could handle. And here's the major culprit right here.
No.
There we go. Yeah.